Is LinkedIn really useful for your business? LinkedIn is the world's largest social network for business professionals, so it's supposed to help you generate business, right? But sometimes it seems like it's just a glorified online resume site for job seekers. Is it really useful for anything besides searching for a job? If you're a B2B business, LinkedIn is absolutely useful for your business. To find out how you can benefit from using LinkedIn, keep watching. Hi, I'm Tom Malesic, founder and president of EZMarketing. You're watching Ask Easy. This is where small business owners go to get real answers to their marketing questions. So, what are the benefits of LinkedIn for your business? For starters, it's about building a network. Building relationships can be tough, and sometimes it's tough to get out of the office, and you don't want to waste time going to mixers or events. You want to meet the right people and people who are interested and have the authority to actually buy from you. LinkedIn makes it really easy to build your network and meet the right people. That's because there are over 90 million senior level executives and 63 million decision makers on LinkedIn. I know you're going to find someone to connect with. Next, you can use LinkedIn to show your thought leadership. Over 94% of B2B marketers use LinkedIn to distribute content. You can share news about your company, advice, insights on LinkedIn. It's a great way to position yourself as an industry leader. You can also use LinkedIn to drive traffic back to your website. Unlike other social media sources who are more about entertainment, LinkedIn is all about business. And people on LinkedIn are interested in learning about your business and how you might be able to help them. So they're going to visit your website. You can also use LinkedIn to generate leads. 80% of social media B2B leads come from LinkedIn. It's much more effective than Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter. And finally, you can use LinkedIn for recruiting. So as much as LinkedIn's a great source for people to find a job, it's also a great source for you to find employees. You can post jobs or reach out to people individually to find out if they're interested in applying for your high-level position. Okay, here's your homework. If you haven't been on your LinkedIn profile in a while, it's time to take a look at it. I want you to dust off the cobwebs. Let's make sure your information's filled out and that your picture's up to date. Let's admit it, the picture's probably 10 years old and doesn't even look like you anymore. It's important that your profile is up to date. When you're ready to move forward and really take the next steps into LinkedIn marketing, give us a call. We're happy to help you start building your network, your brand authority, and driving leads to your business. And don't forget to like and subscribe.